Hey everyone, Brock from Bus Life Adventure again. We got something really cool to show you. We heard that Isaac Turner from Skooliana had composed, recorded, edited, and put together an entire album inside a school bus. So we reached out to Isaac. We said, hey man, record us a little video, fill us in on why, the motivation behind it, and give us a little info on your history as a musician, which we didn't know about. So we're going to show you that little video here next. At the end of the video, we're going to have some links for you to be able to go and download the album. It is free online. We bought it on Bandcamp to try to support him, and we suggest doing the same for you guys. But if anything, go give it a listen. It is also on Spotify. All right.
Hi, I'm Isaac Turner, and I am the dude behind the camera on all the Skooliana photos and videos that you see on Instagram. Basically, Brock from Bus Life Adventure just reached out to me. I'm getting ready to put out Skooliana Sessions EP, which is basically a record that I wrote and recorded in the bus, and he wanted to kind of have me explain that to you guys and wanted to help me raise awareness on the record. That comes out 6/29/20. So if you're watching this before, cool. If you're watching this after, it's out. Go check it out everywhere. And he's just giving back to the community, and that's what I love about the Skoolie community and the Bus Life Adventure in general. So basically, I was a musician for like 4 years straight, professionally. That's all I did for a living, from 2013 till whenever 4 or 5 years is after that. And I got burnt out on it, and I had to walk away from it and did a million other things after that. And then I've been talking about wanting to get back into music and make an album for years after that. So obviously I got into bus life and built this bus and been traveling around doing that whole thing. And I kind of love the way it made me think and approach life. It's very different than I would say a normal life, you know. So I wanted to make a record completely inspired by that lifestyle and try and share that through my music with the world. So I basically decided the pandemic happened and I lost all my income at the time, and I was like, I'm just gonna sit in my bus and I'm gonna write and make a record till it's done, period, no matter what happens. So that's what I did. I posted up in the bus and I started writing, started recording, and the Skooliana Sessions EP was completely done in that creative space and environment. And I think I totally translated like this lifestyle into music, and I'm just excited to share it with everybody. So if you're into van life or bus life, you know, it's basically written for me and for y'all as a community, and I hope some of y'all can dig the songs and maybe, I don't know, let me know what you think about it. So Brock, I appreciate you. Bus Life Adventure, I appreciate you reaching out to me to kind of raise awareness on the record. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Isaac, signing out. Peace.
What's up guys, it's Dan again from Bus Life Adventure. Huge shout out to Isaac for sharing your art and your music with us. Isaac did an awesome job on his EP there, and it's so cool to know that he recorded that whole thing from inside his Skoolie. So if you want to support another Skoolie owner out there, go download his EP. I'll put links below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
What is a flat earther's favorite musical note? E flat.